It's all in your hands. Mastering the controls, learning where you stand. Throttle and front brake, right hand commands. Clutch with your left, gear shifter at your feet. Glide along when closing in, practicing to retain. Start in a safe, open space where confidence grows. Get comfortable with the controls, feel how the friction zone flows. Rear brake with your right foot down, balance as you go. Coordinate clutch and throttle for smooth, gentle start. Counter steering, push the bars and turn, looking right through the curve, letting your instincts learn. Always wear your helmet, gear to shield your skin. Take a motorcycle safety course, that's where you begin. Riding a motorbike, every sense awake. Throttle twist into freedom, your journey to make. Clutch and brake harmony, balancing your core with skill and attention. You'll always pray for whispering roads, horizons unfold. Glide on brave and bold.
Riding a motorbike, feeling free tonight. Throttle in my right hand, ready for the ride. Front brake, rear brake, balance so light. Everything inside. Throttle, clutch, brake, shift. Throttle, clutch, brake, shift. Throttle, clutch, brake, shift. Start in a safe, open space, comfortable with the controls. Find that friction zone, let the coordination roll. Practice smooth start, stops, it's all about the flow. Push the handlebars, counter steering as you go. Look through the turns, feel the lean. Proper helmet on, keep it clean. Take a safety course for the perfect routine. Train in the mind, riding like a dream. Riding a motorbike, feeling free tonight. Throttle in my right hand, ready for the ride. Front brake, rear brake, balance so light. Clutch and gear shifting, everything in sight. Throttle, clutch, brake, shift. Throttle, clutch, brake, shift.
In a safe open space, I find my pace. Riding a motorbike, wind on my face. Throttle with my right hand, ready to roll. Mastering controls is my ultimate goal. Learning as I go, easy and slow. Front brake in my right, rear brake on my right foot. Clutch and gear shifter, left side pursuit. Balance steady, feet light on the ground. Practicing starts and stops, making sure I'm sound. Smooth with the clutch, gentle with the throttle too. Coordinating every move, that's what riders do. In a safe open space, I find my pace. Riding a motorbike, wind on my face. Throttle with my right hand, ready to roll. Mastering controls is my ultimate goal. Learning as I go, easy and slow.
Rear I'm on an open road, let's get it. Riding the motorbike involves mastering controls, it's true. Thought I was my right hand, ready to bend through. Front brake on the same hand, gotta keep it steady. Rear brake, right foot, smooth stops when I'm ready. Clutch and gear shifter, left side, mind in motion. Balance is the key, like riding waves in the ocean. Learn to coordinate, clutch and throttle gotta blend. Practice smooth starts and stops from beginning to end. Start in a safe open space, that's how you get on track. Get comfortable with controls, keep your journey intact. Grind the friction zone, that's how you get moving. Counter steering for the bike moving. Push handlebars to turn, looking through every curve. Proper gear, helmet strap, safety's what you deserve. Consider a course, yeah, comprehensive with the training. It's more than just riding the skills you keep gaining. Practice, patience, confidence, leveling up as you ride. From rolling on the throttle to a controlled, safe slide. Safety first, always, there's more than just pride. Cause the open road is yours when you got wisdom as your guide. Start in a safe open space, that's how you get on track. Get comfortable with controls, keep your journey intact. Grind the friction zone, that's how you get moving.
Riding a motorbike, hands and feet in tune. Throttle in your right hand, you feel the engine swoon. Front brake joining, rear brake finds your right boot. Clutch and gear shift to dance beneath your left salute. Safe and slow, here we go. Safe and slow, let it flow. Safe and slow, here we go. Safe and slow, let it flow. Start in open spaces, nerves begin to thaw. Get to know the controls with awe. Practice the frictions on, balancing the start. Smooth and gentle coordination is an art. Looking through each turn, handlebars respond. Count, steering, saw, will you give the ride? Safe and slow, here we go. Safe and slow, let it flow. Safe and slow, here we go.
Riding a motorbike, throttle tight in my hand. Front brake ready, rear brake by my foot. Yeah, I understand. Out the clutch, left side root, just waiting at your never drop. Open space first, controls in your grip. Friction zone, move it off, let it rip. Car steering out, leaving way to turn. Push the handlebars, make the run. Look to the task, keep the vision keen. Helmets and gear, always stay clean.